How to fix T-Mobile International Plan problem. First of all, you simply have to enable the data roaming. So swipe downwards from the top to open your quick panel and tap on the setting gear icon on the top right corner. Once you're here within the setting panel, you simply have to head to the connections option. From here, head to the data option and also make sure to turn on the data roaming. Once you turn this on, you simply have to now select a network manually. Go to the settings and head to the mobile data option. However, I have not added any SIM to my device, so that feature is limited. But once you head to the cellular and mobile data section, go to the network selection and turn off the automatic and wait for the local carriers to appear. Select a dominant local network instead of letting your phone hunt for signals. And you can also try switching to LTE 4G if 5G is not working or it is unstable. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.